If you are watching this video, especially as a young person or a freelancer or someone who wants to go into the digital marketing space, please pay close attention because I'm going to show you how I built a digital marketing system using less than 50,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right, 50,000 naira. I'm not talking about theory. I'm talking about something you can replicate from your home. Many people believe to start a digital marketing agency, you need to use capital. Some think you need to rent an office space, hire a team, and spend millions on equipment. But that's not true. Let me show you the mindset first. If you're starting a digital marketing agency, you are not starting a company. You are starting a system, and this system can be run by one person from home. Let me break it down. The first thing I did was buy a domain and hosting. I went to a hosting platform and purchased a domain. The domain cost me about 35,000 naira yearly. I chose a .com.ng domain because it's affordable and locally trusted. After purchasing the domain and hosting, I installed WordPress. Now if you're not technical, don't worry. WordPress is beginner friendly. You don't need coding knowledge. You just install your theme, customize your design, and your website is ready. This is where a lot of beginners get scared, but honestly, it's simpler than you think. Next, I registered my business name. I went to the CAC platform and purchased the name Marketing Hotspot. The name was available. I paid about 500 naira to reserve it. Now, if you're not comfortable doing the registration yourself, you can always outsource it to people or firms that handle business registration, but the process is always simple if you follow instructions. After that, I worked on branding, and I did this using a powerful tool. Yes, I designed my logo using Canva. If you're trying to start a marketing agency today and you're not using Canva, you're making things harder for yourself because Canva already gives you templates. You can design logos, social media posts, proposal documents, invoices, everything. I customized my brand colors. I designed client proposal templates. I designed professional invoices that carry my business identity. These details matters when dealing with clients because clients don't just pay for services, they pay for professionalism. Now, let's talk about social media setup. I created my business pages, linked my Instagram and Facebook accounts, and set up a dedicated WhatsApp business number. This is very important because most clients prefer to communicate through WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp number should always be ready for business conversations. You don't need multiple confusing numbers. Just one professional contact is enough. At this stage, I also set up my advertising system. I configure my ad manager accounts so I can run campaigns whenever I want. Because as a digital marketer, your ability to promote services is part of your product. I also set up my email marketing platform. If I want to send freebies or educational materials to prospects, I can do that. For email automation, you can use platforms like MailerLite. You can create landing pages, collect emails, and nurture leads automatically, all from your home. Let's talk about something very interesting. Artificial intelligence has changed everything. Today, you can run a digital marketing agency alone. You don't necessarily need a team at the beginning. You can use AI tools to increase productivity. For content writing, idea generation, and marketing research, you can use tools from OpenAI like ChatGPT. You can also explore other AI tools like Google Gemini. These tools help you generate content ideas, write marketing copies, create campaign concepts, and even structure client proposals. For video content, I use CapCut to edit videos. If you want to grow your marketing agency today, you must not ignore video marketing because video content is becoming the most powerful form of communication online. Now here is something very important. When you're starting alone, operate like a solo founder. Handle your content creation, handle your marketing, handle your communication. But there's a limit to what one person can do. When you start getting more clients than you can handle, then it's time to think of expansion. And here's my honest advice. Do not rush to hire full-time staff. Start with interns. You can look for someone interested in learning social media management or digital marketing. Train the person, supervise the person, and start paying 50 to 80,000 naira monthly, depending on your capacity. Let the intern grow with your system. After some time, if the person becomes very good, you can convert them to a full-time employee. This is a smart growth strategy because most young businesses fail by overhiring too early. Remember, your first goal is not to build a big company. Your first goal is to build a system that generates income. Let me repeat that. Build a system first, then scale later. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about starting your digital marketing journey, I want you to understand something. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a big office. You don't need expensive equipment. Start with what you have. Learn continuously. Use technology to your advantage. The world is moving towards remote digital businesses, and one person can actually manage a marketing system from home. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing more practical marketing and business strategies. And if you're serious about starting a digital marketing agency, leave a comment below. Tell me what is stopping you from starting today. Thanks for watching.